Today we're going to talk about that most of us often overlook, our diet and how it affects our kidneys. Now, unless you're already dealing with kidney issues, you probably don't spend much time thinking about what foods are best or worst for your kidney. But even if you do have kidney problems like kidney disease or other related issues, you might not have an exact idea of the ideal daily diet to keep your kidneys happy. Your diet needs to be pretty specific, so it's super important to know what to eat and what to avoid to cleanse your kidneys of any toxins that might have built up. See, our kidneys are really important organs that help balance our body's fluids and electrolytes, and they get rid of waste from our blood. But if you have kidney disease, your kidneys aren't working at full capacity. Eating stuff that's tough for your kidneys to handle, like protein, sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, can actually harm them. So, it's super important to keep an eye on these nutrients if you're dealing with kidney issues. Now, if you don't stick to a healthy diet for managing kidney disease, it's not just your kidneys that suffer. It can also hike up your blood pressure, increase the protein in your urine, and even cause issues with your bones and heart. So it's clear that taking care of your diet is crucial for your overall health, not just for your kidneys. In this video, we're going to explore foods that are proven to detoxify and cleanse your kidneys of toxins, and that are generally excellent for maintaining overall health too. Let's get started. Number 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed full of antioxidants like vitamins C and K, calcium, iron, and magnesium that are all beneficial for kidney health. And it's not just about the vitamins. Cauliflower also offers anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial benefits. Plus, it's a fantastic source of fiber. Now, for those looking for a tasty way to include more cauliflower in your meals, try mashed cauliflower. It's simple to make and a healthier alternative to traditional mashed potatoes. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is a great choice if you're looking to add it to your kidney-safe diet. It's packed with oleic acid, which is great at fighting inflammation. And if you have any kidney problems, it's good to know that olive oil doesn't have phosphorus. So the next time when you're making salads, marinades, or sautéing, go for virgin or extra virgin olive oil. Number 3. Chicken. Some people with kidney issues may need to be on a low-protein diet, but if you're not one of those people, chicken, specifically skinless, is a solid choice. It has less fat, sodium, and phosphorus compared to chicken with skin, making it a suitable choice for a kidney-friendly diet. Additionally, skinless chicken is versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage isn't just tasty. It's also loaded with nutrients and minerals beneficial for both kidney and stomach health. This leafy green is rich in calcium, vitamin K, vitamin C, fiber, manganese, vitamin B6, and folate, among others. Plus, it's low in phosphorus and potassium, making it a great choice for those managing kidney disease. Number 5. Bell peppers. Red peppers are rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which are great for boosting the immune system. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with kidney disease, who often have weaker immune systems. Also, red peppers can be easily added to a variety of dishes such as stuffed peppers, fajitas, omelets, dips, salads, and sandwiches. Number 6. Fatty fish. Eating fatty fish like salmon and tuna is also quite beneficial for kidney health. According to research from the National Kidney Foundation, foods high in omega-3 fats can lower fat levels in the blood and may even slightly reduce blood pressure. Since high blood pressure is a risk factor for kidney disease, incorporating natural methods to lower it, like consuming these types of fish, can help in protecting your kidneys. Number 7. Citrus fruits. Drinking citrus juices like lime, lemon, or orange juice can be a great way to eliminate toxins from the kidneys. This benefit comes from the high citrate content in these fruits, which can help in preventing kidney stones. Other than that, they can make your urine less acidic, which is good for maintaining kidney health. Number 8. Garlic. Next on our list is garlic. Garlic not only adds a fantastic aroma and flavor to dishes, but it's also packed with vitamin C and vitamin B6. When cooking, use garlic to enhance the taste instead of reaching for salt. And remember, always choose garlic powder instead of garlic salt for a healthier option. Number 9. Cranberries. Cranberries are often recommended by experts whenever it comes to kidney health, and that's because of the many benefits that it provides. Experts suggest that eating cranberries or drinking cranberry juice can be beneficial in preventing urinary tract infections. These infections can put a strain on the urinary bladder and kidneys, so cranberries might be a helpful preventive measure. Number 10. Water. Last but not least, you should drink plenty of water throughout the day. While it's not really a food, staying adequately hydrated is the most important thing if you want to flush out toxins and waste from your kidneys. Drinking ample amounts of water also aids in the natural repair and maintenance of kidney health. That's going to be for this video. Which food do you think is the healthiest of all? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you want more videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe and the bell icon. Why not like the video too? It will greatly help the channel. As always, you've all been fantastic. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.